Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this Wi-Fi router repeater from OneLink. It's a 1200 Mbps wireless repeater. And yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. So let's crack this box open and see what's actually inside of here. So while we unwrap this, there's two color options if that's something that you minding. I normally don't really care if it's black or white, but as I mentioned, there's these two options for you guys. So if you are not a fan of white or black, you can choose the opposite as well to, yeah, make it the way you like it. So let's actually see what's happening. So here is our repeater. We got the black version, and then we got also some cable management here. We won't need that right now, so let's throw that to the side. I actually have the manual though, so I can actually set that up. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. We got 4 antennas, which are completely free to be moving around, which is good to see. You can adjust them all the way you want. So that way you should probably get the best out of it. So this is nice to see. They move quite nicely. They still stick to the way. And then we got the button here, also the power plug obviously, and that's basically what we have for now. And I would say we throw that right in. The setup is quite easily, and here we are. Everything is set up. It's lighting up blue. All you have to do is plug it in, connect it to your phone, put in the code admin for the password, and then you can select your Wi-Fi, and then yeah, set up the repeater the way you need it, and then you're good to go. And that's basically it. And the power is quite well. I'm pretty satisfied with the solution, and that's gonna be it for today, you guys. So take care and bye bye.